Yeah, West Coast needs to dry out. We will likely see some rainfall later in the week with a cold front. An epic looking sunset right now this evening. Our guy wire is kind of in the way there, but very pretty tonight. Temperatures were warmer today. We're already in the 60s, or we're in the 60s right now, I should say. Normal high is 62, so we're running above that, but not quite the record. However, notice our records, upper 70s. That's about where the records are for the rest of this week. Each day is going to be flirting with record temperatures, as highs will be upper 70s and maybe by Friday lower 80s. So we are starting out the first full week of 2026 on a warm note. It was chilly this morning at 40s and 50s and quickly into the 70s, and we're in the 60s now, still 71 out in Thibodaux, and the dew points are increasing thanks to a light southerly wind that will gradually allow for the development of some morning fog. So really this week it's going to be warm and humid, almost hot at times, especially when those temperatures get into the upper 70s. Morning fog will be our main issue through just about every morning. Winds are going to be picking up going into Friday morning, so if the winds are remaining strong Friday, may not be as much of an issue to start the day Friday. But we also will see that early weekend rainfall with a cold front and chilly weather coming back. Right now though, onshore wind and cloud cover around. We saw kind of a mix of sun and clouds all day today, but a warming trend across much of the southeast because of a change in the upper pattern. We're starting to see an upper level ridge, but later in the week, we're going to be watching out west for our next weather maker, and that will be in the form of colder air, and it looks like kind of a prolonged period of some chilly temperatures. Prolonged warm temperatures for the next several days with the big upper level ridge. Here comes, as we head toward the end of the week, big upper trough. This one is going to sweep on through, bringing with it some chilly temperatures. Saturday falling, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday looking chilly. And in fact, as we head toward the end of next week, we have another big dip in the jet stream, which also looks to reinforce that colder air. So while we will stay warm through Friday of this week, the extended temperature outlook does call for us to slightly more likely to remain cooler than average. Now with that cold front, we'll also bring in a chance, and probably our best chance this week, of some rainfall. This is the Euro model. 6 a.m. on Friday, we've got that onshore wind with some spotty showers around. I think the better chance of rain comes in as that front starts to approach. So more Friday night and into the start of the day Saturday. The exact timing is still being worked out, but right now the time frame looks to be late Friday evening going into maybe the first part of Saturday. Might still have some lingering showers even after 8, 9, 10 a.m. Again, the timing of the rainfall is being fine-tuned, but once that front does sweep on through, rest of the day Saturday we'll see chilly, breezy conditions moving in and then staying on the chilly side for Sunday and to start next week. So our changes really arrived this weekend with our Saturday morning rain, falling temperatures throughout the day Saturday and turning chilly as we head into Sunday, Monday, and likely continuing through most of next week. Not this week though. We'll be in the upper 70s to maybe even 81 degrees. Typically we warm up more so ahead of a cold front. That front moves in during the day Saturday morning. I got about a 60% chance for showers. That high of 64 will be early in the day Saturday with temperatures falling after that. Chilly, we're back into the 30s and 40s both Sunday and Monday. For our King's Day forecast though, around the parade time I think maybe some patchy fog, but doesn't look to be an issue until late night going into early then Wednesday morning.